tool time. I picked this up at Lowe's a couple weeks ago. I haven't even used it yet, so I haven't really had a chance to open it up, but I'm going to unbox it right now. It's in its own carrying case. It's got freaking 75 different adapters in here. Screw head adapters. It's got extension. Open that up, and it's micro. It's basically a micro repair. So I saw it. It was cheap. I think it was 20 bucks, and I'm always needing something. There's always something. So I figured for that cost there, I'd go ahead and pick it up, because I'm always looking for something I don't have. Kobalt started to make a name for itself. Now the nice thing about what caught my eye is sometimes I get these fasteners that are security, and trying to find a security screw head. Alright, so here you go. Oh, look at that, a little magnet face holds that in there. Let's see what's in. Oh, I hear it moving. Oh, no, I don't like that. It should have it's got magnets that hold this shut. These are at an angle. I do like that, because you're not trying to. A lot of them, they try to get you to push them through a little locking device. So it's a heavy cardboard film. Got plenty of them. All right. There's your handle. Need to tighten it down. Okay. Flexible there. There we go. Okay. So it's a little screw tightener there. Just brand new, so get it so it tightens down. It won't come out. Loosen it up. Sweet. I got little micro sockets. This is basically, like I said, a micro repair kit. Got a little wrench. Got Allen adapter. Then you can go really long with an extension. Okay. So now you got an extension setup. I really like this little setup here, because it's got everything identifying on it. And again, you can take it right out of the kit and take it with you. I kind of like that. Sweet. Everything identifying. Okay. Yeah. You got a sticker to put on the face. The Kobalt emblem. I guess I can leave that like that. Then you'll be able to identify what's missing. Well, you'll know what's missing. There you go. Okay. Fits in there like that. Okay. I'll leave that in there. And then we said it's held on by a magnet. Okay. And then it's held in the purse by a magnet. We got here. Ooh, micro tweezers. Yeah, I'm gonna remember that when I get a splinter in my finger. That's cool. Oh, got a ratchet. Plastic ratchet. So you can go either way. Will that fit those? Where does that fit? You got a ratchet, but I don't know what does that connect to? Well, we got another set of sweet. They're angled. You want to keep that on there. Pretty sharp. Okay. And you got a fine set of dikes. Or should I say wire cutters. I don't know how wire cutter they are, but I don't know what you use them for. I'm sure you'll find something. Okay, so this goes in there. Have to keep that shut. Okay, it looks like this goes in here. Doesn't want to stay. Now I wonder, take that, will these fit in there? Okay, there you go. Okay, so now you got a ratchet to go along with that if you want. So I'll go in there. Adapter. Okay, now you got the extension. We'll flip back for it. Alright, so we got a ratchet adapter. Okay, and you got a bunch of long nut removers. Different sizes over here. Ooh. Got a little hammer. A little rubber. A little hard rubber on one side. A little harder rubber on the other. So you get a little mini hammer. Ratchet back in there. Got a little hook. Got 3 different files. We have a triangle. Got a flat side one with a rounded other side. We have a flat one both sides. And plenty of little places to put them in there. And again, we got more nut drivers. then we got mini wrenches. I don't know what I'd ever use them for, but who knows? Oh, got a nice pointed awl. Oh, that's a little places to stick them. Alright, what do we got here? Oh, looks like a little scraper, or I guess it can be used as a screwdriver as well. It fits right in there. There we go. It looks like it all folds right up. A neat little case here. Awesome. Little handle case. Alright, there we go. And these are all, again, lifetime warranty on it. So if you break one of them, I guess you just take it back. Tool set. Ideal tool set for precision assembly and maintenance. Fine tooth ratchet and bit drivers. So there you go. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Tool Time. Kit includes comfort grip extension, precision driver, reversible ratchet, bit extension, adapter 1.5 inches in line, precision diagonal cutting pliers, precision parts opener, precision hammer, 3-piece miniature file set. There's a flat, half round, and a triangle. 2-piece tweezer set, straight and angled. Precision hook, precision pick. 5-piece nut drivers. It's your 5mm, 4mm, 4mm, 5mm, 5.5mm, 7mm, 8mm. 5-piece precision open end wrench set. 4mm, 4.5mm, 5mm, 5.5, and 6 50-piece insert bit kits. So we got Phillips 00000 and PH1. Flatheads, I'm not going to go through them all, but you got your flathead, you got Torx. Torx are important. T3, T4, T5, T10, T15. Got hexes, 9mm on up to 0.9mm on up to a T15. Or I mean the hex, 0.9mm to a 6mm. Tamper-proof stars. TTs, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. And then pentalobes, well, okay, P2, P5, P6. Insert pin, an 08, 0.08. Tri-wings, YO and Y1. I'm learning something here. Triangles, 1.6mm, 2mm, 2.5mm, and 2.3mm. Squares, and that's OS1. There are S's, okay, there's squares in some of the stuff in the wife's trailer, so I may have to look into that. And internal hex, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, and 4.5, and 5mm. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you'll catch me again on Dana Crosby's Tool Time.